Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGY. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And a very nice day today, so some updates here definitely need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So the first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 875 as a level of resistance, and now this would be considered an area of support on any sort of pullback. So, and this is more so the ideal level. I don't want to come across like if the price drops below 875, the entire chart's ruined or something like that. Not what I'm saying, but if the price can hold above there, that would certainly be, the ideal situation. Next level of support after that is really we're going to just kind of take the big picture perspective, and that's the purple line right here. I fully realize that right now, given the purple line is way down there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and then the price is way up there. I get it, that purple line is not relevant, but the key word there is moving average, meaning as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. And the very black and white way to look at it is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. Now, what about levels of resistance? Before we get to that, though, I want to note this before I forget. But again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. Why am I bringing that up again? Well, check out the final portion of the day right there, the last 30 minutes. Biggest volume all day. And then, of course, up here you match it up with a price action, and the price reacted very strongly with it. So you really couldn't draw up a better final 30 minutes on the day. So we'll see if that's going to lead into continued power or not. But if it is going to lead to continued power, let's map out some of these battlegrounds. So for this, actually going to change time frames here because we're going to have to go back a bit in the chart's history. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back. Let's see. So first key level, and that makes sense right here, about $10.35. Why do I say that makes sense? Well, you can see that's essentially where the price was struggling today. And it makes sense because this was a previous area of support. And when supports are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, which is exactly what it did today. So not saying that 1035 region can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price is currently kind of struggling right around there. In the event the price can push through 1035, next key level of resistance will be the top of this former channel, which sits there, that makes it easy, at $12.35. So 1035 initial area, and then 1235 next key battleground for resistances. But no doubt about it, past 3 days have been very solid, so we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.